wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Carolina Kid, North Carolina on the Stryker SR-655. It's a basic tune-up. Let's just get right to it. Our power all the way down, 50 watt slug. It's sitting at 2 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. There's 20. Show you average power swing. Hello to audio. Oh, audio. So swing 4032 bird. 100 watt slug in peak. Hello. About 77 watts. Let's roll it all the way down to 2 watts right there. Hello. Still swing about 77, 78 watts. Alright, kids, ready to come your way, bud. Hope you enjoy this sucker from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.